Okay, so I got my 2005 Kia Spectra 5. The rear fender here is starting to flap in the wind. It's talking while I drive. So I pull it back and I got this really strange ball joint in there. It's a really weird connector. It's supposed to slide over, but you can see where it's broken. So it's lost its spring edge. So I gotta try to figure out how to fix it. So I got an idea here. I can't find that part anywhere online, but I searched like crazy. So it needs to go into there, but as you can see when I slide it in, it just falls right back out. And then the fender bumper cover flips back off and flaps in the wind. So there's some good news. My super magnet determined this piece is metal. So I'm going to try to drill a small hole here and then run a machine screw into it with the screw onto here to keep it in place. So I'm going to get the drill a small hole. Start with a smaller hole. I'm not going to use this screw, I'm going to use a machine screw, not this one. Something for metal. I just want to thread a bolt in there and get this thing pinched in place. Make a new kind of pressure system for it so it can hold my fender. Okay, so we got the drill, got the small drill bit, got the small machine screw. I'm going to use my center punch here. I think this idea is going to work, but I'm not going to get too many shots at this. It's going to be tough to center punch that piece of metal there and get a good hole so I can drive this screw in at it and keep a good angle. So I can't videotape while I do this, so I'm going to center punch it about 3 times so I get a good pilot hole for my drill. Start drilling small and work my way up. And then... Alright, got it tapped and died. Got a screw in there. This seems to be holding in place nice and tight. Let's see. Alright, so tapped and died. Got a small screw in there. Okay, so I got it on there. Got a good pop. Tightened up the bolts that are left remaining for the fender guard. And it seems to be pretty secure again. There's a good way to fix a broken clip if you got a little bit of some drills and a little bit of space to thread a bolt in. So I just kind of threaded that bolt in right there to secure that thing in place. And I got it nice and mechanically sound, so hopefully it'll last. If you see a part 2, it broke and it needed another repair. Thanks for watching. Cheers.